Hello scientists, welcome to another video of Grow with Dyutimaan. Today we are gonna do 2 science experiments plus 1 bonus magic trick. So let's start today's video. In our first experiment, we are gonna create a blood shower. Okay, anyways, for this we need a beaker, some water, some oil, food coloring, and a spoon. At first, pour some oil in the beaker. I'm gonna pour all of them anyways. Because we need a lot of oil. Okay, let's keep it aside. Now we're gonna give a few drops of food coloring. Okay, I think this is enough. Now we're gonna give it a good stir. Okay, we don't need the spoon anymore. Now remember about the water. We're gonna pour this here. See what will happen. Wait for a few minutes. See? There is a blood shower. Isn't it cool? Ooh. Now let me tell you what happens. Actually, oil is lighter than the food coloring. So when the food coloring sinks into the water, it creates a little explosion. That's what creates the blood shower. For our next experiment, we need some salt. Not some, a lot of salt. 2 beakers of water and 2 eggs, including a spoon. Okay, let's see what happens if we put an egg in normal water. It sinks, right? But when you put salt in water, we need a lot of salt. Yeah, salt. Yeah. Give it a gentle stir. Not gentle, violent. Saltness test. Yeah. Nice. Okay, let's see what happens if we put an egg here. See? It floats. Isn't it wonderful? Now, let me tell you what happens. Water is a solvent and salt is a solute. When solute and solvent mix together, it creates a solution. Solution is more dense than solvent, so solution can hold the weight of an object. This thing also happens in Dead Sea. You don't need anything to float in the Dead Sea because there is too much salt. And do you know why Dead Sea is known as the Dead Sea? Because if any sea creatures goes there, nobody can survive in case of saltness. So now let's go to our bonus point, magic trick. For this magic trick, you need a coin, cardboard, a glass, and a spatula. So first, let's put this cardboard on top of the glass. Now let's put the coin on top of the cardboard. Now if we hit this coin with the spatula, see what happens. What? How did the coin go there? Isn't it wonderful? For this magic trick, we didn't choose one coin, but 2 coins. So, let me tell you how I do this magic trick. At first, I take one cardboard, cut a bit of double-sided tape, like this. And good. Now, I will stick it here. It's very hard to pull off this thing. Like this. Then I stick a coin here like this. Now I always show you one side of the cardboard. I don't show you the another side of the cardboard. I put it like this, and I also put some more double-sided tape at the back of this spatula. Like, okay, whatever. I stick it here, like this, like this. Then I keep this cardboard on top of the glass like this. Then put the coin here like this. And actually you need to show this magic from an angle. Like, you need to show one side of the spatula only. So if you hit it like this, like this, but one objection. You cannot put too much double-sided tape here in this cardboard. You need very less. If you put too much, you cannot do the magic trick. Let me show you this thing again. Like, see? That's it. And you're gonna think, where is the coin which was on top of the cardboard? It's at the back of the spatula. If you like this magic trick, write I love it in the comments and show it to other members of your family, friends. So, hope you liked today's video. I'm come to you with another fun video. So see you until next video. Bye bye.